Want to give your WordPress site some instant personality and style? Today, I'll show you step by step how to add a custom background image to your header using the site editor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform that boring header into something that truly stands out and captures your brand or vibe. No coding required. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and open up the site editor. If you're using WordPress full site editing feature, you'll usually find this under Appearance or directly as Editor in your menu. Give it a click and you'll see a visual representation of your site. Here, locate your header section. This is the very top part of your site, the area visitors see first. When you click on the header, it will highlight, letting you know that you're editing that specific section. Think of your header like the sign above a shop door. It's the first thing people notice, so making it visually appealing is key for a great first impression. Now, once you've selected the header, look over to the right side of your screen for something called the Block tab. This might be labeled simply as Block or just show up as a square icon. Click on that if you're not already there. Under the block settings, you'll see a section for color. Take your time here. If you don't spot this right away, look for a drop-down arrow or an option to expand more color choices. Tucked here, you'll notice an option that says Add Background Image. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click Add Background Image, and WordPress will prompt you to either open the media library or upload a new image. If you've already got the perfect header image in your library, select it now, but if not, click Upload to add something new from your computer. Maybe you want to add a scenic landscape, a branded graphic, or a pattern that fits your site's mood. Whatever you choose, keep in mind that large images might take a moment to upload, especially if your internet's running slow. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. Patience here really pays off. Once your image is uploaded, you should instantly see it take over your header's background. Take a moment to check how it looks. Does the image fit nicely, or is it getting cropped weirdly at the edges? Some images might need to be resized or switched out for a better fit, and that's completely normal. Just experiment until you're happy with the appearance. Remember, your header sets the tone for your entire site, so pick something that truly represents what you want visitors to feel when they arrive. With your background image in place, don't forget the final step. Hit Save or Publish at the top right of the editor. This step is crucial. Think of it as locking in your changes so everything you've done actually goes live. If you skip this, your awesome new background image won't show up for your visitors. So always double-check that your site is updated before previewing it. And that's it. You've just given your WordPress header a visual upgrade, and it probably feels a lot more you now. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this to make your site look and work its best. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.